Most siding business owners think a CRM is just a place to store customer contacts. That's the biggest mistake you can make in 2026. Because today, the companies winning the most siding jobs are using CRM systems as full sales and job management engines. Here's the truth no one tells you. In siding, timing is everything. If you don't respond fast, follow up consistently, and send clean estimates quickly, you lose the job. Not because of price but because of speed and organization. In this video, you'll learn what actually makes the best CRM for siding businesses, which features matter most, and how to use it to close more deals without adding extra workload. Let's start with the real problem. Most siding contractors rely on scattered tools. Phone calls, text messages, notebooks, and spreadsheets. A lead comes in from Google or Facebook, and someone tries to respond later. But in siding, later usually means lost. The homeowner has already booked someone else. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A good CRM doesn't just store leads. It reacts instantly. First, you need instant lead capture. When someone like John requests a siding estimate, the CRM should immediately create a job, assign it, and trigger a response. No manual work. No delays. Just instant engagement. Second, quoting speed is critical. Siding projects are high value, and customers compare multiple contractors. Your CRM should let you create and send professional estimates quickly. Imagine Alex doing a site visit, uploading photos, selecting materials, and sending a quote before even leaving the driveway. That speed gives you a huge advantage. But here's the problem most contractors miss. Winning the job is not the hardest part. Managing the workflow after the sale is where businesses break down. Your CRM should handle scheduling and production tracking. Instead of calling your crew every morning, the system should assign jobs automatically. Your installers should see where to go, what materials are needed, and when the job must be completed. Now, let's talk about a silent profit killer. Missed follow-ups. Many siding businesses lose thousands every month, simply because they never follow up after sending a quote. A strong CRM fixes this by automatically sending reminders, texts, and emails until the customer responds. That means even if they don't book today, they are still in your pipeline tomorrow. In a minute, I'll break down the key features that separate average CRMs from the ones that actually help siding companies scale. First, mobile access. Your team is always on job sites, so everything must work perfectly on a phone. Second, automation. Quotes, follow-ups, and scheduling should run without manual effort. Third, integration. Your CRM should connect with maps, invoicing, and messaging tools so everything flows together. Finally, reporting. You need to know your best lead sources, close rates, and job profitability so you can scale what works. So, here's the bottom line. The best CRM for siding businesses in 2026 is not about storing information. It is about speed, automation, and control over your entire sales and production process. When you set it up correctly, you respond faster, close more deals, and stop losing high-value jobs to competitors who are simply more organized. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment with your current CRM setup, and subscribe for more business growth strategies like this.